inequality. Does anyone remember? Numbers that are not equal. What else? James, do you know what inequalities are? You don't? Okay. He said that it's numbers that are not equal. And Jonathan, what do we use in order to determine that numbers are not equal? Or
Those?
these right here. Yes, the symbols. These are called inequality symbols, guys. So if you don't know what an inequality symbol, if you look up here, also this is the vocabulary that we're going to be using. These are called inequality symbols. This is the greater than or equal to. This is the less than or equal to, the less than symbol, and the greater than or equal to. Some of you guys are used to saying, oh, miss, it's the alligator when the small number eats the big number. Yes, but in Algebra 1, we don't use the alligator. Okay, we use these symbols by their actual name. So if you know that you're doing miss, it's this symbol, it goes that way. Just look up here, and it tells you the name right here. Also,
How do you know if it has to have the line at the bottom?
how do you know? Well, it just depends. Like, you're either going to have the line on the bottom or not.
Don't they mean the
How do you
same
know
thing
when to
that
put it?
people get?
How do you know when to use it?
The way you know how to use it is you'll know when to use it when you're given a verbal description, like a story. If I tell you, hey, we're going to go take a field trip, this is just a situation, and I tell you, you have to at least bring $5 to go to the movies. So then, and I were to ask you, hey James, what symbol are you going to use? You have to at least bring $5.
5 or more, right?
At least. So which one would you use?
No more than.
Greater than. So you have to at least bring $5 because if you bring anything below $5, are you going to be able to go to the movies? No. So that word at least tells you you're going to use the one with the line. If you were to use greater than, that means that you better bring more than $5. You have to bring $6. So that's how you know the difference between both of them.